Thank you for the opportunity to provide you a case for automation and integration of our blending assets and systems within the Summit operations. So the problem is advanced technology and digitalisation has been driving farmer improvements for quite some time. This includes things like drones, data analysis, in-field sensors and real-time reporting. We've actually been doing a lot within our agronomy and our research and sales integrations with customers, but customers are now looking for more improved accuracy and visibility of product management in regards to blending and dispatching and loading of farmers' trucks ready for transport to site. Additionally, we've had a large labour cost increase over the last few years, around about 31%, driven mainly by the new award agreements, but also on regards to operational requirements. We have actually increased our tonnage output, but also on our increase of labour intensity systems. We've also seen an increase in errors in blending, regards to wrong products into wrong trucks, wrong blends being created. This can equate to probably around 20% of errors increases recorded in our customer complaints system. The drivers on those are predominantly human error caused from a large increase in casual requirements, which we know that we need for 6 months of the year, and we don't always get the same people coming back to us every year. One of the problems of seasonal work. This can equate to potential customer losses around $1 million a year, and definitely inventory losses, because sometimes the product cannot be utilised again, so is added to some kind of sweepings. We've seen approximately 5,000 tonnes per year on average being lost. There is no integration to our ERP system from our operational equipment. This means that their own products can be selected. The sales order will say one thing and then a human will pick a different product. And it also means the raw quantities are actually improved. Our dispatch documents rely on manual entry. This leads to incorrect informational loading weights, which we know is a requirement under our chain of responsibility and compliance. This actually causes reputational damage. So what's the solution? Suggesting that we introduce PLC automation for our blending plants, remove some of the human error, increases our visibility. We include a SCADA control system in there, and what that will give us is some better reporting, but it will also help us to do some analysis on how well the plant is actually running. We then will look at the solution of an integration platform to our ERP, and especially to provide some of those automated populated documents. How we approach this: engineering design and controls of PLCs with existing mechanics. Quite simply, replace all the control panels and electrics for all the systems, but we'll establish a PLC control for the main office first before we roll out to other sites, and we estimate this costs about 110,000 per setup, per asset. So thank you very much.